Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're re-diving deep into a topic that's a total game changer for anyone with dry skin: cream contour. If you've ever felt like powder products just sit on top of your skin or make you look cakey, then you're in the right place. We're going to talk about why cream contour is your new best friend. So, let's take a little trip back in time. Contouring isn't a new trend invented for social media. It actually has its roots in old-school stage makeup. Think back to the golden age of Hollywood. Stage actors and film stars needed to define their features under harsh, bright lights that could wash them out completely. What did they use? Heavy, cream-based theatrical makeup. They would paint on shadows and highlights to carve out cheekbones, define jawlines, and reshape their noses so the audience, whether in a theater or watching a black and white film, could see their expressions clearly. The goal was to manipulate light and shadow to create dimension. These original techniques were all about using products that would meld with the skin and stay put under hot lights, which sounds a lot like what those of us with dry skin need, right? Powder can be tricky. It often clings to dry patches, emphasizes texture, and can leave the skin looking flat and dehydrated. It sops up any natural oils you might have, which is the last thing we want. Cream, on the other hand, is built differently. This is where modern cream contouring comes in and saves the day for us dry-skinned folks. Unlike its heavy, theatrical predecessor, today's cream formulas are lightweight, hydrating, and designed to blend seamlessly. They often contain nourishing ingredients like hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, or various oils that actually benefit your skin while you wear them. But when you apply a cream contour, it doesn't just sit on the surface. It melts into your foundation and your skin, creating a truly natural-looking shadow. It gives you that lit from within glow and a soft, sculptural effect rather than a harsh, drawn-in line. The beauty of cream contour is its ability to mimic real skin texture because it has that emollient, dewy finish. It moves with your face. It doesn't crack or settle into fine lines throughout the day. Instead, it maintains a fresh, plump appearance. This is how it helps your makeup truly fit your face. It's not about creating a mask. It's about enhancing your unique bone structure in a way that looks believable and feels comfortable. For someone with dry skin, achieving that seamless second skin finish is the ultimate goal, and cream products are the key to unlocking it. You get the definition without sacrificing hydration or glow. So, if you've been struggling with powders, I highly encourage you to give cream contour a try. It's a modern take on a classic technique, perfected for creating a flawless, sculpted look that feels as good as it looks, especially on dry skin. It's all about working with your skin type, not against it. By embracing the hydrating power of creams, you're not just following a trend, you're adopting a time-tested professional secret to make your makeup look truly integrated and beautiful. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope this little history lesson and explanation was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next one. See you soon.